Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to create template, blog, and layouts, right? So if you don't know about like how to create the model, so you can watch my previous video, so you can easily understand how to create model, and then inside the model how to create like block, layout, and template. So let's start from in this video. So I already created one module inside my code directory. So my main directory is learn, and my module name is hello, right? So in this hello directory, you can simply create like one block directly, and inside the block you can define your any uh, block name, right? So I created the hello block name, right? And this is like extend layout template things, which and I can define here is one method name get content display, right? So this is the model creation, and then already what happened, some problem, we can create the one from this, right? So and the directory name is view, and in this view you can define the front end directory, and again the front end we have two more directories, the layout and templates. So inside the layout you can define the xml file, and the xml file name this the module name the route, and the controller and the controller file name, right? So this is controller, we already created the index, and the index the file name. And the previous video I already created the how to create the route, right? So etc, inside the etc front end on the routes, and I'll already create the route name is the hello, right? The hello route name, then controller name, the index, and the file path for controller file, right? Index. So this way you can create the layout file name, and inside the layout file name you can define the class name, the complete path of the hello block, right? So we already have the main directory, the learn, and module name is hello, right? This is hello, and we have created the block, and then the block name. So block name is the hello. So this is you can create any name, the which you can mention your block name. So hello I can create it, and here is define the path. This is path, right? So this is the name the path template. So I already created the path, file path is success, right? I can define here is the block method name, which block, which year, this one, this block I already created this one, right? So majorly three files you can create, the hello and index file name, right? And then success file name, right? We can define three files majorly, but we need to be more files also. You can create the controller and the routes, but this already I covered my previous video, so you can learn my previous video, so you can easily understand how to create the basic model, and then inside the model how to create the layout and templates. So this in this video we will learn the block and layout and file path name, right? So let's start from let's see what happening here. So here is we can define the hello, the route name, route name. Some problem in my IDs. So route name is I already defined here. The inside the etc front end route, right? So here is hello, right? And again we can call from controller. Controller name is front end controller, the index, and then file name, right? So hello, my route, and index my controller. So we can start from this. So this is already called this one, my block name. So I can change from here some get testing kind of things. Testing we can define here as testing, right? And we can again install maybe can cache issue, Magento cache flush. Okay, let's see again. So this is not called because we define here is the testing, and we call from template file name here, template name, get function. So we need to change again. I think some problem my ID is okay. Issue we can open again. Okay, so we need to be changed from here. We need to be called the same file name. I mean function name. This one get function, right? So let's refresh again. Maybe some cache issue because cache and blocking the cache. So we can create the cache. We can refresh the cache and refresh again. So this is model, right? So basically, three files we need to be require from called layout. I mean block layout template, right? Block layout file and success file. So in this video, only learn how to create block part, right? So next video we will learn admin areas. On this code, I'll be push on Git, right, and share the URL on video comments. So thank you so much for watching.